Beyond the light of the stars and galaxies, something else is at work. We cannot see it, we cannot touch it, but we can see its effects. Astronomers watch distant galaxies expecting them to spin in a certain way. But they do not. They spin faster, much faster than they should. It is as if an unseen hand is holding them together, preventing them from flying apart. This invisible presence is a great dark river flowing through the cosmos, shaping everything it touches. This mysterious substance is called dark matter. It makes up the vast majority of matter in the universe, yet it emits no light. It is a ghost, a presence felt but never seen. It forms a vast invisible scaffold upon which the galaxies are built. Without it, the beautiful spiral arms of the Milky Way would unravel. The clusters of galaxies that we see would disperse into the void. It is the hidden architecture of the cosmos, the unseen framework that gives the universe its structure and its form. Imagine standing on a world bathed in the light of a distant nebula. The air, thin and cold, carries no sound. You look up and you see the familiar stars, but you feel a gentle, persistent pull. It is not just the gravity of the planet beneath your feet. It is something more, a current in the fabric of space itself. This is the dark river. It flows around you, through you, an invisible force that binds the universe together. You're swimming in it, a silent, unseen ocean. The existence of this dark river raises more questions than it answers. What is it made of? Where did it come from? It is a fundamental component of our universe, yet we know almost nothing about it. It is a reminder that what we can see is only a tiny fraction of what is actually there. The universe is far stranger and far more mysterious than we can possibly imagine. The dark river flows on, its secrets hidden just beyond the reach of our sight. A constant and powerful enigma. We are explorers of worlds. Our own solar system is home to a small family of planets, each with its own unique character. But our sun is just one star among billions. And we are discovering that planets are not rare at all. They are common. Almost every star we look at seems to have its own system of worlds. These are the exoplanets, the ghost worlds. They exist in the faint light of their distant suns, their presence revealed only by a subtle flicker, a tiny dip in the starlight as they pass by. These worlds are places of incredible possibility. Some may be giant balls of gas larger than Jupiter, swirling with storms that last for centuries. Others could be rocky, like Earth, perhaps with oceans and continents. Could there be a world where the sky is forever purple, lit by two suns? A world where mountains are made of ice and rivers flow with liquid methane? The sheer variety is staggering. Each new discovery is a new story, a new landscape waiting to be imagined, a new possibility for life. Picture yourself on one of these ghost worlds. The gravity is heavy and you move slowly, deliberately. The air is thick with a strange, sweet scent. Above you, a giant, ringed planet hangs in the sky like a celestial eye, its soft light illuminating a landscape of crystalline forests. A gentle wind, a mere whisper in the alien atmosphere, makes the crystals sing, with a soft, chiming melody. You are standing in a place that no human eyes have ever seen, a world that existed only in dreams until now. But for every world we find, a mystery deepens. Are any of them like home? Do any of them harbour life? We can measure their size and their distance from their star. We can guess at their temperature, but we cannot yet see their surfaces. We cannot yet listen for the sounds of life. They remain ghosts, tantalizing clues in a cosmic detective story. Each flickering star is a promise, a hint of another shore in the cosmic ocean, a secret world waiting to be revealed. If we could zoom out far beyond our galaxy, we would see something extraordinary. The universe is not random. It has a structure. Galaxies are not scattered like dust. They are arranged in long, delicate filaments, like threads in a great tapestry. These filaments surround vast, empty voids, creating a structure that looks remarkably like a sponge or a network of neurons in a brain. This is the cosmic web, the largest structure in the universe. It is the grand design, the blueprint of the cosmos. This immense network was woven in the first moments after the Big Bang. Tiny fluctuations in the early universe were stretched and magnified over billions of years. Gravity pulled matter together along these invisible lines, and where the filaments crossed, great clusters of galaxies were born. The voids, by contrast, are the great deserts of the cosmos, places of profound emptiness and solitude. The cosmic web is a map of our universe's history, written in the language of light and gravity. Imagine being able to perceive this web. It would not be with your eyes, it would be a sense of connection, of being part of something immense. You would feel the gravitational pull of a filament stretching for 1 billion light years. You would sense the emptiness of the void on one side and the dense cluster of galaxies on the other. It would be like feeling the pulse of the universe itself, a slow, rhythmic beat that has been playing out since the dawn of time. The silence of space would be filled with the hum of this cosmic structure. The cosmic web is a source of deep wonder. It shows us that the universe is not chaotic, but ordered on the grandest of scales. But what force sculpted this incredible pattern? How did these delicate threads of galaxies come to be? We see the web, we can map its strands, but the forces that wove it are still shrouded in mystery. It is a secret written in the very fabric of space-time, a beautiful, intricate puzzle that connects every galaxy, every star, and every one of us. There was a time before stars, a time before galaxies. The universe was young, hot, and dark. After the initial flash of the Big Bang, the cosmos was a foggy soup of particles. For nearly 400,000 years, light was trapped, unable to travel freely. Then, as the universe expanded and cooled, something remarkable happened. The fog cleared. The first light was set free, and it began its long journey through space and time. This is the cosmic microwave background, the afterglow of creation. This first light is the oldest thing we can see. It is a baby picture of the universe. When we look at it with our powerful telescopes, we are not seeing light from today. We are seeing light that has travelled for over 13 billion years to reach us. It is a faint, gentle glow that fills the entire sky. It is the echo of the Big Bang, a whisper from the very beginning of time. This light carries the seeds of everything that would come to be. The first clues to the cosmic web, the galaxies, the stars, and us. To witness this light would be to witness the birth of time itself. Imagine floating in that primordial era. There are no stars to guide you, only a uniform, warm glow in every direction. The universe is a featureless, luminous fog. There is no up or down, no here or there. You are suspended in a moment of pure potential, a quiet instant before the storm of creation. The silence is absolute, yet you can feel the energy of a universe on the cusp of being born, a sense of immense anticipation. This first light is perhaps the greatest secret of all, because it is the secret of our own origins. The tiny variations in its temperature, almost imperceptible, were the seeds from which all structure grew. A slightly warmer patch here, a slightly cooler patch there. These were the beginnings of the great clusters of galaxies and the vast, empty voids. Why were the variations just so? A little different, and the universe might have been empty and lifeless. It is a profound mystery, the secret of how a simple, uniform beginning gave rise to the magnificent complexity we see today. We have journeyed from the silence of empty space to the very dawn of time. We have glimpsed the invisible rivers that shape galaxies and the ghost worlds that orbit distant stars. We have seen the grand architecture of the cosmic web and listened for the echo of creation. And at every turn, we find the same thing. For every answer we find, a dozen new, more profound questions arise. The universe is not a book to be read, but an endless story that is still being written. The secrets of the cosmos are not just for scientists in laboratories. They are for all of us. They are written in the night sky, a story available to anyone who takes the time to look up. To wonder about the darkness between the stars is to connect with something ancient within ourselves. It is to share the same awe that our ancestors felt as they painted the stars on cave walls. The universe is the ultimate mystery, and the quest to understand it is one of the things that makes us human. This journey does not end with answers. It ends with a deeper appreciation for the questions. The universe does not need us to solve its mysteries. It is beautiful and magnificent in its own right. Our role, perhaps, is simply to be the witnesses, to be the part of the universe that can look back on itself and marvel at its own splendor, to feel the chill of the void, to be warmed by the light of a distant star, and to be humbled by the sheer scale of it all. And so, the greatest cosmic secret may be this: the mystery itself is the point. The fact that the universe is so vast, so strange, and so far beyond our complete understanding is what makes it so beautiful. It invites us to be curious. It encourages us to dream. It reminds us that we are part of an unfolding story of endless wonder, a tiny but precious part of a grand, mysterious, and utterly magnificent cosmos. And the journey of discovery has only just begun.